What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to share some ideas for faceless YouTube channels, and as you guys can see here, there are 7 ideas in total. Obviously there are more than the 7. However, based on my personal opinion, these 7 are the easiest to start. So let's talk about the first one here. It's gaming, right? As I mentioned over and over again, gaming is one of the needs that you can consider if you don't want to share your face. Right, you can play video games, do streamings while you're playing, or even do battle with other gamers, right? So like basically you will collaborate with other content creators or YouTubers to play the same exact game and do the battle there. And yeah, all you need to do is just to record your screen and showing your audience like how you play the games, right? Or maybe how you explore all these features in the game. And you might want to add some commentaries to it. You might want to explain how to execute this particular plan, or how to accomplish these objectives in the game, right? And you can add your voice as a commentary and record the screen, but you don't necessarily need to share your face, right? So that's the first one. Let's talk about the second one here, cooking. I think this niche has pretty high demand because there are lots of people who want to know how to cook that food, but they don't know how, right? But they want to know. So if you are passionate about cooking, and why don't you make a video? Why don't you create a video to teach people how to cook that food, right? So it's going to be like full step-by-step tutorial video on how to cook this particular food, right? And you can set up your camera like below your face, maybe like just showing your hands how to do it. And if you have like high quality content, you have good content, you explain it step by step, slowly, make sure they understands what you're doing, then I can guarantee you're gonna get lots of views, right? And the third one here is movie recap. There are lots of people who are kind of lazy to watch like the whole movie, so why don't you create a videos, maybe like a short video ranging between like 10 to 20 minutes or maybe 15 minutes, summarizing all the storyline of the movie, right? So you need to watch like the whole movie first, and then you need to highlight like some important stories in the movie, and then you can highlight it in like 15 to 20 minutes video, right? So people who are kind of lazy to watch the whole movie, they can just watch like your videos, maybe like 15 to 20 minutes videos, and they understands what's happening in the movie and the general overview about the movie, what the storyline looks like and stuff. That's the third one. Let's talk about the fourth one here. It's programming tutorial, right? Make video about programming tutorial, teaching people how to code. And obviously in this niche, you don't even need to share your face, right? You can kind of the same thing like gaming. You can do like screen recording and then showing people like how to build this program. For example, like you can show like the full step-by-step tutorial, how to code, right? You can open up your IDE and then start writing the code and then do screen recording and then show people like, hey, this is what I'm building. And at the end of the at the end of the video, you can show like the end result, right? That's the fourth one. The fifth one is history. It really depends on the level of your creativity. You can be as creative as possible, maybe like simple history, where you can do like some animations or illustrations to tell an interesting story about history, right? Yeah, you can make videos about things that happened in the past, and also create it in a way that make people curious, right? So maybe it will have something to do with your thumbnail. Make it as interesting as possible, make people as curious as possible with that. And number 6 here, travel, right? If you are a solo traveler, or maybe you like traveling in general, you like traveling but you don't want to share your face, well, you can do it. You can explore, some new different places, new different countries, cities, and just record, the scenery, record like the situations there, like what it looks like to be in New York City, for example, or what it looks like to be in London, for instance, right? So yeah, you don't need to share your face. You can like just record, everything what's happening around you, and that's how you show the world, how you show the audience what it looks like to live in the city, stuff like that. And last one here is motivations, right? And make videos about motivations to inspire people to get things done, right, or accomplish their goal. again, this is kind of similar to history. um, Obviously you don't necessarily need to like share your face. You can add your voice. Even you don't want to add your voice, you can use AI voice. You just type in all the text and the scripts, and then it will automatically generate to AI voice. And you can even set the intonations. um, and you can do like some animations, or maybe you want to add like some images or anything that could motivate your audience, right? But you don't even need to share your face for these needs. All right, guys, I think that's all for Faceless YouTube channel ideas. um you don't necessarily need to like pick one of these seven. Maybe you have like different ideas. Feel free to go with whatever idea, whatever needs that you like. These are just like the seven easiest needs to start in my personal opinion, but obviously there are more than this. So yeah, feel free to choose whichever that you are most comfortable with, you're most passionate about. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about text to image, text to video, and text to audio AI tools converter. So I'll see you guys there.